Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am here to answer a few questions related to Zumba. Yes, if you guys are wondering, I am not a Zumba trainer, but yes, I am doing Zumba since last 5 to 6 years every day continuously. Yes, बीच में ब्रेक लिया था like hardly for 15 days or maybe 1 month, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. So yes, I have been doing Zumba since really long time. So there are a lot of questions, there are a lot of people who are asking a lot of questions to me on Instagram. So I thought why not make a video related that and just share with you guys that what is Zumba and all those stuff. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, first thing, if you have any more other questions, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely answer those, and if there are more questions, I'll make part 2 of this video. But these are the basic questions which I regularly get. So let's start with the video. Okay, first question is what is Zumba? So it is basically a dance form in a cardio thing. It's a cardio thing. So the steps and all those things in Zumba are just to make your weight lose. Yes, so basically it's just a cardio thing which helps you to lose your body fat. It's simply as good as you go for a walk at evening or morning or jogging. But this is just a different thing for the people who love dancing and who want something new and something different to lose your weight. And it's even fun. Now next question is what is the difference between aerobics and Zumba? So personally I don't find any such big difference, but yes, Zumba is more preferable for me because aerobics are typically exercise thing like yes, and Zumba is based on dance form. That is, you have good dance steps plus you have good music in Zumba, and aerobics has boring music. I don't know, but yes, I like Zumba more. Next question is it possible to lose weight due to Zumba? Yes, it is possible to lose weight while doing Zumba, but yes, it is, you can't have a good body shape. For that you need to have workout, like hardcore workout. You have to do exercises for that to have good body shape. But to lose weight, yes, Zumba is great. As I said, it is a cardio form, so even if you go for a jogging or for walk, you have to work out to give good body shape. That same thing is done in gym. Yes, when you use treadmill, you do cardio, you do even workout just to give shape to your body. Yes, now the next question is gym or Zumba. So personally I feel Zumba is more preferable for me, at least for girls, because I don't know, I don't know, I'm kind of person who would prefer Zumba over gym because I feel gym is boring, and I'm like I love dancing and I like music, so Zumba is something for me. So if you're a person just like me who like music, dancing and all those stuffs, you can definitely go for Zumba. Next question is can I do Zumba at home? So now here it is that I would prefer that just go for a class nearby you. At least do that for 1-2 months so you'll get an idea like what exactly Zumba is. But if you want to try, you can go on YouTube and you'll get a lot of Zumba videos. You just have to copy that and just try doing those things. Depends on your choice of music. You can do Zumba at home as well. I personally was going for a Zumba class for last 4 years. अभी कोविड के वजह से I started doing at home, so it's okay if you do at home, but I would prefer classes are more better for the ones who are doing it for the first time. Yes, while choosing a Zumba class, I would highly recommend go for a certified trainer. It is very important to do Zumba with a certified trainer. See, I have done 1 year with a non-certified Zumba trainer and next 2-3 years with a certified Zumba trainer, so I know the difference. Both are good, I won't say anything, but certified का obviously थोड़ा फर्क पड़ जाता है. It helps you to lose weight faster, and it's obvious now when you are spending money over a Zumba class, then why not go for a certified trainer? It's obvious. Next question is can I do Zumba at evening or anytime? Yes, you can do Zumba anytime, morning or evening, which is whatever it is preferable for you. 2 years I have done at evening and 2 years मैंने सुबह किया है, so it's absolutely okay. Next thing is where can I find a Zumba class? It's simple, just Google it, Zumba class near me. You will get a lot of Zumba classes. Yes, घर से थोड़ा दूर रहेगा, but it's okay. If you really want to start, just go ahead and just start. As I always say, start करने में कुछ भी नहीं जाता है. अगर पसंद आ रहा है, do continue. If you don't like, just stop over there. So just start. It's amazing. You will get refreshed. A lot of things will happen with you. So just start. If you are wondering, just go and enroll yourself in any of the Zumba class which is nearby you, or else just try it out on YouTube for at least 1 week. As I always say, कुछ भी करना है at least 15 days तो दो वो चीज़ के लिए. Being consistent and be patient to at least give 15 days to see the results. So yes, I hope I have covered a lot of good questions, and yes, I'll put few YouTube channel links of Zumba in my description box. In case if you are wondering to start at home watching YouTube, you can definitely go and start for that as well. Yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful. Do hit like to this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yes, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.